In this video, we will show the best PC cases available to buy. At number 10. BBC 1609 BB Gaming Cabinet. BBC Gaming Cabinet with RGB LED in front with one 3.0 USB side half window without any fan. At number 9. Cooler Master K501L RGB Mid-Tower Gaming Cabinet. The aggressive, angled front panel ventilation dons sharp design elements and striking lines, signifying the K501L's competitive character. At number 8. AeroCool Bolt RGB PC Gaming Case. Access 13 preset lighting modes via a conveniently located LED control button. Full acrylic side panel to showcase the inside of your rig. At number 7. Antec NX200 Mid-Tower Gaming Cabinet. The RGB lighting make a sleek and aggressive feeling. Come to show off your gaming build with NX200 features a full-sized AB side window panel to show off your components. At number 6. Corsair Carbide SPEC05 Mid-Tower Gaming Case. The minimalist exterior design with an edge-to-edge tinted side panel window. Room for up to 5 120mm fans with one 120mm front fan pre-installed. At number 5. Thermaltake V200 Tempered Glass. It has 3 pre-installed 120mm 12 volts motherboard sync RGB fans, as it gives its users the experience they truly desire for. At number 4. Cooler Master Computer Case. The optimized airflow due to the large intakes on each side of the front panel. Additional ventilation on the top panel adds thermal support. At number 3. Ant Esports Gaming Cabinet. Ant Esports ICE300TG Mid-Tower Gaming Cabinet with transparent tempered glass side panel, anti-dust filter, black glossy finish and acrylic front panel. At number 2. CHIPTRONEX Mid-Tower Gaming Cabinet. CHIPTRONEX GX2000 as the latest ATX tower gaming case. It comes with an acrylic plastic transparent front panel and with an acrylic side window making them more attractive. At number 1. Corsair Carbide Mid-Tower Steel Gaming Case. The cable routing and CPU cooler backplate motherboard cutouts. 7 PCIe slots with room for long graphics cards up to 420mm long.